Dave Sigrist, and I work for Montgomery County Parks in the Park Planning and Stewardship Division in the Resource Analysis section. And what we're doing out here today is part of our biological monitoring program. So this is a site that we are visiting to characterize the biology. We were here in the springtime looking at the benthic macroinvertebrates, the stream insects, and then in the summer we come back to the same location and look at the fish communities. So today, in order to capture the fish, we're using a piece of equipment called a backpack electrofisher. It looks a little bit like a Ghostbuster backpack, but the way it works is it introduces a gentle electrical pulse into the stream, which temporarily immobilizes the fish and allows us to capture them. And we use that in streams like this to catch fish that we would normally not even know that were there because they're hiding down in little nooks and crannies. But this type of equipment is really useful for characterizing the biology in Piedmont streams. In this location here, we have found a handful of different fish species. I think about 6 or 7 today. One of the major ones we found today was American eel, which is a migratory fish that we find in the Chesapeake Bay watershed, a pretty interesting one that has an interesting life cycle. Also, some bottom feeding fish like the white sucker, and some insectivorous fish like the tessellated darter, and then a handful of other minnows like the black-nosed dace, long-nosed dace, and swallowtail shiner. Based on the kind and number of things that we can find at streams like this, we can have a rough idea of how healthy the stream is.